Alright, this is part 2. We got little changes around here. You know you gotta say 9 to 15 inches. Now they're saying 12 to 18 inches of snow. So we got like a foot to a foot and a half. Winter storm warnings still available on these areas. Just a couple new warnings have been issued up in the north. The whole pink area is covered. So we're talking about heavy snow blowing, snow. Still the same amount, but no, not this one. Oh, there it is. Where is it? There it say 16 inches of snow. Oh, there it is. 16 inch, 12 to 4 of snow. To 18-foot half inch of snow. We're gonna go right back to the radar. Now, I'm in the other hard drive. No, my PC got 2 different hard drives. This is an old one. 10 years old. It looks old, man, but it still works. It's gonna last for a long time. You see my icon posted right here. This is an old one. The color looks different. We're gonna check the radar. Now, you know, the radar don't work in my new hard drive, but the old one does. It's all snow. It just pop up. Come on. There you go, right here. 8 to 10, 10 to 13. There you go, right here. 10 to 8, 10, 8 to 13, 13 to 18. With 35-mile gusts. We got a big one coming. Oh yeah, we're gonna get white crab blizzard. We're gonna call it. So we're gonna see plenty of lots of snow on the ground. This will be our last dump. And there's gonna be some school closing on Wednesday in this area. Yeah, so there's gonna be some school closing on Wednesday. But it might, probably won't. It might change all that. We're gonna go to the inches snow amount. National, let's go to the US. So, okay. Wind gust is gonna be very high, but we can check the wind gust. The wind gust is gonna be up to 30 miles an hour. I don't think it's not gonna be very good. There's the wind gust right here. We're in the green. But Tuesday night, they're supposed to calm down. But the snow, my arm hurts. So we'll talk about this much an hour. I guess most of it's gonna go to this north, but it's gonna push down. That's how many inches for 3 hours. Like that plus that. So that's for example. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday night. And stay tuned for more updates.